a sunny street lived Tom the cat with soft white feet, and Jerry the mouse, so small and quick, with shiny whiskers and tricks up his sleeve slick. Tom liked naps on a cozy chair, dreaming of fish floating in the air. Jerry liked cheese and running fast, zooming by Tom in a lightning dash. One bright morning at 10:30, Tom said, "I'll catch that mouse by then." He stretched and yawned with a mighty grin, while Jerry peeked from his little tin. Jerry squeaked, "You'll never catch me, I'm faster than fast, just wait and see." He wiggled his nose and swished his tail, then zipped away like a tiny gale. Tom jumped high with a mighty meow, but tripped on a mop, oh dear, oh wow. Buckets clattered, water splashed, Jerry giggled as Tom crashed through the kitchen and under the table, over the sofa, as fast as they're able. Tom slid across the shiny floor, bumping softly into the door. Jerry climbed up the curtain tall. Tom tried climbing, but started to fall. Down came Tom in a fluffy heap, while Jerry laughed with a tiny squeak. Next they raced through the garden, bright past flowers pink and butterflies light. Tom leaped over a watering can, Jerry ran circles around the pan. Suddenly both heard a rumbling sound, their tummies growled loud and round. They stopped and stared, then blinked twice. Chasing is fun, but snacks are nice. Jerry found cheese, creamy and square. Tom found milk in a silverware. They sat together beneath the tree, sharing lunch so happily. Tom said softly, "You're pretty fast." Jerry smiled, "You jump quite fast." They both agreed with cheerful cheer, "Let's be friends, at least this year." But don't be fooled, oh no, tomorrow again the chase will go. For Tom and Jerry, wild and merry, love their games so silly and scary. Yet deep inside they both know well, their friendship is the greatest tale. Through every tumble, splash and dash, they laugh together after each crash. So if you hear a bang or a bump, or see a cat make a giant jump, it might be Tom and Jerry at play, chasing their worries away all day.